basically, I'm having a hard time motivating myself to do literally anything. The past couple days have been a little weird, so I just figure, why not just film absolutely everything I'm doing, and that way I will actually have the motivation to do it. So here we are. You guys are gonna come along with me. You guys are gonna come along with me pretty much all day, because I feel like if I don't film what I'm doing, I'm just gonna do absolutely nothing. So thanks for coming along.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece.
So I just want to say I've been feeling a little bit off. I just quit my job. I no longer have any sort of routine to really hold on to at all. My days are basically just mine for the time being, basically for the foreseeable future. And it's kind of crazy. It's really kind of crazy. I've been trying really hard not to have anxiety about it. It's hard not to be scared that I'm gonna love it. It's hard not to be scared that I'm gonna hate it. So we'll see how this traveling thing goes. The more I think about it, the more I spiral. So if anybody out there is feeling off or very low or depressive, anxious, any of these things, we're all in this together. And when you feel you're most alone, just remember other people feel like that too. We're all in this together, you guys. Here we are. Look at us. Who would have thought, huh? Remember not to take life too seriously. It'll all work out in the end, you know?
Break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something but you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God. When it gets hard, I stay on my job.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today, y'all are gonna be giving me the motivation to clean basically my whole house, all right? I have been a complete slob pig, a little bit of a depressive episode, all right? We're not gonna think too much about it. We're just gonna push on through. So I got some cleaning to do today. I have some serious cleaning to do. You already saw me clean my bedroom this morning, and that's fantastic, but I also need to clean the entire basement and my entire kitchen, which I'm like really just not gonna show you right now. But yeah, we got some work to do. maybe this will motivate you guys to clean something too. It feels actually really good to like take care of your space, especially if you haven't been for a few days. But yeah, today you're gonna follow along with me. Let's get this house cleaned, enjoy some good tunes together, give you the motivation to clean too, and let's just get right on into it. All right,
No
let's
days
go.
off, so you can go home. With that, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on good. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, we're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep.
You're on top of the dryer. Let's move the laundry.
I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder. Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder. Can we trust the stars apart to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life. No guarantees to start set. I'm fine on your passion fair. And try to keep an open mind. Hiding about yourself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. Wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. Whoa.
It's been a few hours. It's about 5 o'clock now, and I've kind of just been chilling. It's like a really rainy, drizzly day out there, and I genuinely just sat outside and just like enjoyed the rain for the last probably hour. Other than that, I've just been like chilling, watching YouTube videos, just relaxing, enjoying some free time. Yeah, so I've just been kind of hanging out. I did not get the basement cleaned yet, but I think I have just the answer to that. I really want to make brownies, which is completely the opposite of going downstairs and cleaning. In fact, it's getting up here in the kitchen that I just cleaned and making a big mess again. But sometimes we gotta do what we gotta do. I really want brownies, so I'm gonna make some brownies. I got my boyfriend's birthday presents wrapped, so that was like an accomplishment that I needed to do today. And yeah, other than that, I am gonna start making brownies now. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse. We're gonna hang out in the kitchen, and then I'll clean up after myself again. The grind don't stop. And then I'll go downstairs and I'll start cleaning up, and then I'll enjoy some freaking brownies. Sounds good. Let's do it.
Fast for me. Can catch up with the thoughts in your mind. They're everywhere, and it's hard for me to bear. 'Cause I get so lost. Feel just like a boomerang. 'Cause you change your plans every day, and you don't seem to care what I think or how it affects me. Since I laid my eyes on you, my baby, I just wanna make your dreams come true, my lady. If you're low, I'll lift you up. Just let me know when it gets tough. Do you feel the way I do, my baby? Do you see me like I see you, my lady? I love you, but I don't need you. I only want true love, true love, true love.
Okay, you guys, it is time. 30 minutes done. Let's check our brownies, shall we? Let me get you off this tripod and really in on the action. So that's how they're looking. Pretty good, if you ask me. We're gonna have to check them. So we're gonna stick a fork in them and see how it looks. Perfect. So yeah, there's crumbs, but there's no liquid stuck on this fork. That tells me they're good to go. I'll grab an oven mitt and get these puppies out of there. Look at that. They look cakey and delicious. Quite proud of myself on those ones. Don't look at the baking tray. Just look at the brownies. The time is here. I can't wait. I know I should, but I can't. Let me be one of these people that dumps my thing out. But look at it. All right, look how cakey and rustic. How cute. I can't wait. I can't wait for this. This needs to get inside my belly right this freaking second. So let's cut this. Woo. There better not be any judgment for a pretty large piece of brownies. It's for the presentation purposes, and I will be hearing nothing else about this topic. Thank you. Oh my God. Are we kidding? I should have made some whipped cream, but I didn't do that. Look at it. Look at it. Chaos Kitchen brownies. Let's give them a taste. They look a little crumbly, but that's all right. Remember when I said they looked a little crumbly? Ice cream is the answer. Oh. Do you see why I call my kitchen the Chaos Kitchen? Like, I refer to what I do in the kitchen as Chaos Kitchen. Okay. Now look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Why is it so crumbly? I didn't put any fat in there. I should have used another egg or what? Ice cream definitely makes it better. Still just so much cocoa, you know? It's so crummy. Cute. You guys, it's so good. I feel like I just baked it too long. On top of probably everything else I did wrong to it. I like how I can just sit here and say I think I just baked it too long. LOL. I don't know anything about what I'm doing. This is probably one of the worst brownies I've ever had. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just gonna come right out and say it. These are not good. But what I can do with them is maybe cake pops. It's so bad. It's so crummy, you guys. Literally. That bite was good. That was too much. I think our Chaos Kitchen brownies were a bit of a fail on the experiment side. But that's okay, you know? Sometimes you just want to throw some stuff in a bowl, pop her in the oven, and see what happens. That's just the way it is. There we go. Now I got another sink full of dishes to do tomorrow. Okay. For now,
Oh, I really thought that that was gonna give me what I needed to go clean the basement, but I don't know if it has. I need to go clean the basement. Let's just go do it, you guys. Let's just go do it. All right.
Like I see you, you see me. That's the only way to be right. Love, I move slow for you. 'Cause you are finishing my sentences when I don't know what I'm about to say. But that's what I like.
Okay, and with that, you guys, I think I'm pretty much just gonna hang out for the rest of the night. Probably pull up some Discovery Plus and find some reality TV trash to be consuming, because why just allow my brain to be bored for 5 seconds? Why would I do that? You know how it is. You know how it is. So yeah, I'm probably gonna put something on the TV, relax a little bit, I might have a tea, and then just kind of hang out for the rest of the night until I feel like going to bed. So I just want to thank you guys so much for coming back, for giving me a reason to clean, because I swear to God I wouldn't have done it if I wasn't trying to film myself. So thank you for that. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you found some motivation to clean something of yours, you know, some area you've been neglecting. So we're all in this together, you know, the daily life, it's a thing, it happens. Time goes by whether you want it to or not, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, before I go way too far on a tangent here, thank you guys for coming back. I appreciate it so much. Please, you know, do your thing, interact, give me something to work with back, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you guys later. Bye-bye.